Hello everyone, Komakech Patrick is my name. I come from Agagu district. I'm one of the community leader and the National Register Movement. I have decided here to send my condolence message to the bereaved families of Opit bus travelers accident which took place on the 7th of July. As concerned citizen of Acholi sub-region, we are all grieved by the tragic accident that happened on that day, and we continue to mourn with that family. On another note, I would like also to appreciate the President of the Republic of Uganda, His Excellency General Museveni for your condolence contribution to the bereaved families, a sum of 5 million shilling cash and also 1 million shilling to those that are still in the hospital. I also appreciate our very dear one, that is Honorable Aber Lillian, for delivering the contribution of the President. I also want to send in a request on behalf of these families that if possible further assistance or support should be given, like for example giving scholarship to the children from these families that lost their parents, that lost their father, that lost their mother, because as a result of the death it has left a very big gap or a void in the family, like payment of school fees and many other things that the family require. So by sponsoring a child from those families, it will help to bridge a gap, it will help to bring a future to those families. Also to the police, I request them to be strict on the implementation of traffic regulation to reduce on the cases of the accident. It has now been too much in the country. Every week, every month, we hear of tragic accident, we see loss of lives, we see accidents and many others. This is not good. As concerned citizens, we feel sad, we feel grieved, we feel unhappy. Thank you so much. I say this for God and my country. Rest in peace, our dear colleagues that lost their life in the recent accident.